Model 2015 VAUXHALL VIVARO PRIMASTAR-TRAFIC 2 Diesel 2900 1.6CDTI 115PS Sportive H1 Van Spares OR Repairs Open Mouth Smile Decent Miles Easy Repair Bargain Grin. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 111912. MOT, 13 December 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6 PSE 5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs perfect, turbo needs replacing. Simple repair for someone grin gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.